Hi, fantastic morning. I am attorney Elvin F. Barrios, and currently I am an assistant city prosecutor here in the city of Muntinlupa. I have been a lawyer for 16 years, 8 years as an assistant city prosecutor here in Muntinlupa City. And I joined IFERN because I believe that this is a great opportunity for me and my family to earn extra. I also joined IFERN because based on what I have seen as a distributor myself for the past 2 or 3 years, that IFERN offers the best support system that the industry can offer to its distributors. Ang ganda po kasi talaga ng support system dito. That's why, isa po tayo sa mga naging active members dito po sa IFERN. And also, I've joined IFERN because I believe in the vision and mission of our President and CEO, Sir Tomani Tan. No? I believe in his mentorship. I believe in his dedication and love for our distributors. And to me, personally, he is the best CEO and president that the MLM industry has to offer. No? So, ibig sabihin sa lahat ng mga multi-level marketing companies dito sa Philippines, no? It is my personal belief that Sir Tomani Tan is the best CEO among all the other CEOs of other MLM companies. So, yun lang po. God bless. Thank you very much.